Integrating Trello with Discord is a great way to streamline team communication by sending Trello updates directly to a Discord channel. Here's how to set it up. Use Zapier for integration. Zapier allows you to create automated workflows between Trello and Discord. Sign up on Zapier. Create a Zapier account and log in. Create a Zap. Click Make a Zap and select Trello as a trigger app. Choose a trigger event such as new card created or card moved to a list. Connect Discord. Choose Discord as the action app. Select an action such as send channel message and connect your Discord account. Customize the message. Map Trello data to the Discord message fields. Test and activate. Test the Zap to ensure it works, then turn it on to automate notifications. Use third-party bots. Alternatively, use Discord bots like Unito or Trello bot. Invite the bot to your Discord server. Authenticate your Trello account and configure settings to send updates to specific channels. Benefits: this integration keeps your team informed about Trello activity in real time, eliminating the need to switch between apps frequently. It enhances communication and ensures everyone stays on track.